So let's talk about this aluminum folding table. I'm gonna go over a demo of me putting it together and folding it up, then talk about who this aluminum table is for, all to help you make a better informed buying decision. Okay, before I go over a demo of me putting this together and folding it up, let's just have a look at the table itself. So it does have 3 adjustable heights. Again, it is all aluminum, so you can put anything hot on here. That's what's so great about this. This is great for any camping, any type of outdoor activities that you have. This will work really well. And if we look at the construction of it here, we have 3 different poles, and that allows us to get the 3 adjustable heights of this aluminum table. So let's go over just the different height adjustments here real quick. So we'll go ahead and flip this over. So the one you saw was the highest setting. Okay, so to take out one of the poles, all I do is just pull it on out. So really easy. There's a little lever right there. Do that for all 4 sides. So then we have a mid-height table. This is good for like prepping food. Even if you're sitting down at a campfire, this will work really well, this height. Okay, and then the 3rd height, again, just pull out and you're good to go. Here we have a really low height table. So one of the great things about this table and why you'd want to pick this up is just how lightweight it is and how portable it is. You'll see how portable it is once we pack it up here, but this comes in around 5 pounds. So if you're camping or doing anything outdoors, you of course want something that's lightweight, durable, and just compact. So this definitely fits for that. Okay, I'll continue with disassembling this and folding it up. So we'll put it down. First, what we'll want to do is we have a latch on the side. Go ahead and pull that up. We have a latch on the other side as well. Pull that up as well. Okay, and then we have our little slots here where we can put in all the legs. So let's go ahead and do that. So it's really quick to disassemble and assemble this. It's another reason why it's great. Just like that, you're ready to fold up the table. Okay, so we're gonna wanna push up on these. It's a little bit different. Usually you push down. For this, you push up. Okay, and then you can just fold it on in. Same on the other side. Fold it over once more. You can go ahead and lock both sides. And there's a handle right here, and that is it. So really easy to disassemble. And again, around 5 pounds, very lightweight. Okay, and we'll assemble it once more. Pull up the legs. Okay, so when you're putting this on the medium height, so some of the poles here, as you can tell, there's a hole in it. So if we're on the medium height, we want the ones with the caps on the bottom. So you want to use this one for the medium height one. Just keep that in mind. So we'll do the full height here. Capped one on the bottom. Okay, just flip it on over. First we want to put the little latches on both sides. Front one here. Okay, and then you are good to go. So one thing to note, this is a very lightweight table, and depending on the surface that it's on, it can be a little wobbly. So just keep that in mind, especially on the highest setting. So you will want a flatter surface to put this on because it can wobble a little bit. Also, what's really nice about this, if we look right here, we can see that there are little pegs where we can hook on utensils or whatever has a hook. So that's a really nice addition to this as well. So who is this table for? Really anyone who's doing any type of outdoor activity that needs a quick, easy to set up table, this will work really well. So in my opinion, this is definitely an aluminum table, definitely worth checking out.